Hey guys, Frndly back with another video from CFL-TECH. We're on the Tom's Guide site here with an update on the Walmart ONN 4K Plus streaming device. Now this leaked out about a month ago and we did a video on it at that time, but now we have more information and some availability is now appearing. Now some people have gotten their hands on one. They got lucky by going to a Walmart store. Earlier today, it was up on the website, but now it is down. Now there is a server error. So they might be playing some games right now, getting people excited. The word is getting out that it's appearing on the website, and people go there, they see it's gone. Now it brings up a little more hype. Now, why would they do that? That's a good question. Why did it leak out a month ago? They knew it probably would. And now they're doing this now with the pre-launch here. So it should be available pretty soon on the website. Being they already put it up. Now, was it a mistake doing that earlier? Possibly that as well, but they kind of know what they're doing. Now, Walmart has now updated the product page listing to the ONN 4K Plus serving up an error message. This was an update this afternoon, and we can confirm that as well. Let's go take a look. It is now showing we couldn't find this page. Earlier it was showing the device and showing reviews and the specs. It just said out of stock at that time, but now it's not showing at all. So it should be back soon. So maybe you could pick one up at your local Walmart if you get lucky. Some people have. But overall, it should be available soon. I wouldn't be too concerned, but at least we know it is in the works here, getting really close to being available, widely available. This is what they did with the last device as well with the 4K Pro. Now, this device has 16 gigs of RAM versus 8. It has only 2 gigs of RAM of memory. The storage is 16 gigs, so that part's good. The extra storage should help. It also has Wi-Fi 6 and Dolby Atmos, so it's got some improvements on it. And it could possibly outperform the Google TV streamer. So for $30, not bad at all. So we just want to let you know, give you an update on this. If you were looking to pick one up, it is $30. And you should be able to get one real soon if you aren't right now. But at least we know it has appeared. Now we'll link this down below as well so you can keep tabs. There's a link here for the Walmart site. And also some more information if you want to look at this. But we just want to give you this update. The ONN 4K Pro Plus could prove as a major win for fans of streaming devices who aren't out buying one of the best TVs each year, as it slots in perfectly into the budget space left in the wake of Google's Chromecast departure. So keep that in mind as well. No more Google Chromecast. That was in the $30 to $50-ish range. Now you have the Google TV streamer at $99 from Google, and that's the only current device they offer. So this is possibly a good replacement for the Chromecast devices out there that are no longer available. And you have now a good price point, and you also have the 4K Pro at $50. So that's still a very good bargain as well if you want the Pro model. We did a video on that as well with a review, so check it out. We probably will get our hands on one of these as well and do a review, unboxing, and all that good stuff. So stay tuned for that. Can't guarantee it, but I think we may be doing it. And we'll let you know if we do. So hit that subscribe button, also the notification bell, especially if you're new on the channel, so you keep up to date on what's going on here at CFL-TECH. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully this update helped you out and you're looking forward. Let us know if you're looking forward to getting this device, or if you already have one. Let us know as well. And if you do, what do you think of it? Frndly checking out of this one. Soon to be back with another. Take care.